after Red Deer today. Do the all-new Trackhawk. We're gonna have to fix it up a little bit though. I'll show you when we get there. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mobile Detailing. Today we have in a brand new Trackhawk. It's gonna get our Gyeon synchro coating, so that way it'll protect it and it'll keep it looking nice for quite a long time. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you guys have any questions, give us a shout. We're located in Edmonton, Alberta. We do travel and we do love what we do, so geek out with me and let's have some fun. All new Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Thing's badass. Anyway, let me show you around a little bit.